Hello loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean if you're new here, and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing today? Don't judge me. I washed my hair. I thought I was gonna do a little twist out, but it didn't come out exactly how I wanted, so a wig it is. Today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair. They sent me over a curly V-part wig. It's one of the ones that are really breathable, so I'm here for that. All the details about this unit will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and pick it up, honey. A little coupon code moment. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going ahead and prepping my hair for the wig install. I'm starting off by parting out some leave out. And at this point, baby, I'm very seasoned in the V-part game. So I know it was gonna be like the perfect amount. I'm going for a deep side part today. I did a video not too long ago with a curly claw clip, but it was like a middle part. So I'm like, let me see if I can get the exact same look with the side part. Let's see if we can get her to give Yana. I'm on like my second cup of Starbucks today, so I'm a bit extra, but bear with me. So now that we have our leave out sectioned out, I'm sectioning out my hair so I can braid it up and put it under the wigs. I didn't want to do a full like braid down. I got a lot of hair and anybody got time for that. This is like the only V part that I'm gonna wear this week. So if I would have did a full braid down, I would have ended up taking it right back down. And I love y'all, but not that much. Okay, I'm already getting carpal tunnel. Work with me. So essentially, I just brushed out my edges. Y'all know I gotta have a little baby hair moment with this look. And then I sectioned my hair into 3 big sections and just kind of French braided it all going back. And then we're gonna tuck and stuff, baby. Tuck and stuff, okay? Listen, we're gonna make it work. So I got my little pippy braids, how cute. And now we're gonna get into the actual wig install. So I'm just kind of popping the wig on my head. I start off by clipping it around the part because of course this is where it's most important for it to lay perfectly. And look at that. Look at that. Look at us. Look at us. Who would have thought? It fits perfectly around a leave out that I set out. And again, we're gonna tuck and stuff. Y'all know I got a lot of hair. And for a wig girly, that's a blessing and a curse. So yeah, I just tucked those 3 braids in, stuffed it in, and kind of used the combs to get the wig to be placed exactly how I want it. And now we need to get into actually sectioning the hair so we can start the styling process. We're gonna need some hair on either side for like our little swoops, our little like clipped back parts. So I'm sectioning that out. And then we also need a little section for where we're gonna do like the half up clip moment. So I'm also gonna section that out. And then once I have everything sectioned, I just kind of clip it into different areas. I got my 2 little pieces clipped in the front. When you're doing a style on a wig, your best bet is to kind of section everything out, clip everything up into little sections, and then work on it piece by piece. It makes it a little less overwhelming. If I was to just try to slick all this hair back at once, it would be a nightmare. So now that we have our 3 sections clipped and out of the way, I can get into kind of dividing up my natural hair to cover up all of the tracks. I'm starting off by portioning out a small little section going straight back. And this is what we're going to use to blend the claw clip section. And then I'm also doing a cute little curved side part. And this is what we're going to use to cover up either side of the tracks. Y'all know I love a curved side part. So that's what we're going with today. Now let's get into styling. I'm using the foaming lotion by The Dew. It has a really, really nice hold on it, so I figured it would give me like that molded, swooped look that I want, while simultaneously adding a little moisture and a little definition to my natural hair to make it blend with the wig. And I was right. It was the perfect product. I got this at Target and I have been using her to smithereens, especially for kinkier, more curly textured wigs. Love her house down boots, okay? Love her the house down boots. So as you guys can see, I just applied that product in a little bit of water. I smoothed it out with like a bristle brush and swooped her to my liking. And now I'm just using a shit ton of bobby pins and I'm just pinning that in the back. If you're doing your hair along, it does not have to be perfect right now. Trust me, this is just our first step. We're gonna go back and tweak it and perfect it later. So yeah, just get it as smooth as possible, kind of clean up your part, pin her in the back, okay? Step away, don't get defeated too early. Because as you can see right now, I'm looking a little crazy, but it's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. So now we're getting into the left side where the swoop is, and first things first, I like to do my baby hair just so I can kind of get an idea of where everything else needs to lay. So I'm going in with a little bit of edge control, and I'm kind of giving her a cute little side swoop. I also went in on the other side and did my little like sideburn curl. I'm going 3 swoops today. I'm going 2 sideburn curls and 1 like swoop baby hair. And to me, this is nothing too crazy, but child, y'all know I love me a little baby hair moment. So hey. Baby hair is optional, but if you are gonna do baby hair, now is the time.
A few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want? I don't know.
What is this face that I'm making? I don't know what I have going on. It's giving, child, I don't know. I'm also watching a show right now. I believe I was watching Invasion on Apple TV. Me and my dad have been watching it together. It's really, really good. I love sci-fi, zombies, aliens, the whole 9, and I feel like it has one of the best aliens I've ever seen on TV. Like the graphics are amazing, the idea behind them is amazing. I love non-humanoid aliens because why the hell would an entity come from a completely different planet and look just like us? That's not reasonable. Humans swear we're like the center of the universe, and I don't think so. So I love a non-humanoid alien. It's a vibe. Super good show. So if I keep looking up, ignore me.
Move fast when you doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want?
I don't know. You play that?
I went ahead and added a little bit more of that foaming mousse and some water and slicked the other side and pinned it back the exact same way. And then I'm going in with a little bit more edge control and just polishing everything up in the front.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
I don't know.
You doing what you want.
My new bitch look like that.
She's laying exactly how I want. She's cute. She is the moment. So now we can get into this back like claw clip section and see how it's important that we left out a little bit of hair to cover the back of the tracks. If not, baby, we would have been parting the seas like Moses and you would have definitely saw this little track in the back, and we can't have that. I can't have y'all outside like that. Not my subbies. So I smoothed my hair, make sure all the tracks were covered, and now I'm just kind of gathering everything like I'm doing a ponytail, twisting it up, and then I go ahead and pop my little claw clip on and kind of fluff out the curls that come out on top. And now it's giving like this big curly fluffy moment. We got our hair nice and slicked on the sides, and I'm just kind of seeing how everything is laying and if I like it. The hair that I pinned back kept popping out, so we about to fix that. But so far so good, right? She's cute. She's cute. I'm going ahead and clipping the hair that I'm going to leave out up, and we're about to go ahead and secure the hair that we slicked back. I didn't want to make it too secure in case I didn't like it and I wanted to be able to like change it, but now that we know it's exactly where we want it, I'm going in with a scrunchie and I'm just gonna like put both of those little sections into a little ponytail together, and we're gonna stuff it under the wig. Tuck it, babe. Pop it up under there. And that way you don't have to worry about any little scraggly sections like popping out. When you bring your hair to the front, when the wind blows, everything's gonna look super cute, super polished. I didn't want to define the curls for this look. I liked the kind of like puffy, undone, fluffy look. But my lips were dry as a bone, so I'm going in with this Maybelline lip gloss in Gummy Bear. I'm obsessed with these Maybelline lip glosses. So good. I have them in like 5 colors. We could not do a 90s look without a ton of lip gloss, like be for real. However, this is the finished look. She's super cute. She's super pretty. Don't be afraid to play with your V parts. You don't have to just wear them as is. You can switch it up. It's essentially just like a removable sew-in. Have fun with it, play with it. This is what we came up with today. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. Again, all the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to check it out. If you try this style, tag me on Instagram. I really want to see. I love seeing you guys' recreations, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, babes.
I think you better know it. Why don't you say so?